Hello, my name is Germán Esteban Ramírez Mora. Home. Living room. The one, sorry, there is a bike, purple picture of what in the wall. Two, there is a bike, blue relation sofa near stage. The three, there is a small blue rectangular picture near the TV. Four, there is stage brown of white. The five, there is a small brown flower pot on the wooden table. Bedroom. There is a small. There is a white and red toy box on the shelf toys. There is a small picture of flower white in the wall. There is a small hot balloon orange in the wall. The four, there is a ball beach, green, yellow, red, and blue near the bed wall. Five, there is a bike, yellow carpet drawn in the middle of the room. In classroom, there is a bike, brown wooden air glove near the window. The two, there is a bike, carpet drawn in yellow in the middle of room. The three, there are shades on blue and brown, and another green and brown together near the table. The four, there is a medium dark blue and brown square shaped blackboard. Five, there is a bike window of white crystal